In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with Rocket Money Online, the 2025 guide. Whether you're new to Rocket Money or just need a little extra help navigating their online interface, I'm here to break it all down for you in simple, easy to follow steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you're on your device and connected to the internet. Now, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Rocket Money website. Once you're there, log into your account to access your personal dashboard. The dashboard is a user-friendly space where you can quickly access all your financial activities and account settings. Familiarizing yourself with this space will be useful not just for today, but for future interactions with Rocket Money as well. Next, let's head over to the Help Center. You can find the Help Center easily within the dashboard. It's typically available either as a menu option or through a help icon. Once you're there, take a moment to look around and get acquainted with its resources. The Help Center is a useful hub for troubleshooting common issues or learning more about features you might want to take advantage of. Moving on, you need to select the issue you're experiencing. The Help Center is designed to be intuitive, offering you a list of common issues that users typically need assistance with. Take your time to go through this list and choose the issue that best describes your current need. If you don't see the exact problem or need more direct assistance, there's another step you can take. And that brings us to our next action. If you can't find what you're looking for or prefer to talk to someone directly, you'll see an option to schedule a call or appointment. Click on this and you'll be guided through the process of setting up a one-on-one session. This feature is particularly handy for when you require detailed clarification or a bespoke solution to your problem. Once you've chosen the appointment option, you will need to confirm your appointment details. Make sure you input your availability accurately and double check the date and time. Rocket Money usually provides multiple slots, so pick the one that fits best into your schedule. Once confirmed, you should receive an email or notification with your appointment details to keep as a reminder. Finally, when your appointment time rolls around, it's time to join your session. Prior to this, ensure that your device is set up for a smooth session, whether it's checking your internet connection, ensuring your microphone is working, and possibly downloading any necessary software or plugins if specified by Rocket Money. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled and joined an appointment with Rocket Money Online. Keep this guide handy for the next time you might need it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.